pleasure to be here in Independence Lodge. We are honored to be able to be part of this ceremony tonight. I personally have been here in a couple of years. I'm sorry to say that. Greetings, everybody. Greetings. This installation will be done in three parts. We install the master and the cultivate the social virtues and to propagate the knowledge of the art.
As the square is employed by operative masons to fit and adjust the stones of a building, that all the parts may properly agree. So you, as master of this lodge, admonished by the symbolic meaning of the square upon your breast, to preserve that moral deportment among the members of your lodge, which should ever characterize your masons. The rule directs that we should punctually observe our duty, pass forward in the path of virtue. The Book of Constitution, you are to search at all times. Cause it to be read in your lodge, that none may pretend ignorance of its requirements. By the authority of which this lodge is held, as its lawful custodian, you are carefully to preserve and duly transmit it to your successor in office.
I'll have a little background here. Our brother, very worshipful Pachara, just installed me as presiding master of the Massachusetts Lodge last Saturday. It was my distinct honor, and now I get a chance to install him here tonight again as an assistant secretary. So it's absolutely my pleasure. Good to see you.
It is your special duty to attend to the lighting of the lodge, the importance of which cannot be overstated. However, Mayor Brown, you are appointed the ambassador of this lodge, and I will invest you this jewel of your office.
Elected and appointed of the Independence Lodge have been regularly installed in their respective stations, and the Independence Lodge is now prepared to act upon any business that shall come legally before it. This proclamation is made from the east, the west, the south, once.
You must give obedience to the master in the discharge and execution of his office, infusing light and imparting knowledge to all the fellows under your care, keeping the brethren in just order and decorum, so that nothing may disturb the peace or obstruct the glorious effects of harmony and concord.
Isabella, Grace, and Janaina, we proudly present you these flowers for your patience and for your support in letting us conduct the business of our lodge, even though this takes a lot of time away from you. Thank you.
I just want to communicate to the Portuguese speakers. I want to thank everybody. Gostaria de agradecer a presença do worship ao Júnior, por ter confiado nessa posição, e pedir a todos que tenham um momento de harmonia lá embaixo, maravilhoso, confraternize.
The Right Reverend Deputy Grand Master, Richard J. McElhenney, is recovering from COVID. So on his behalf, I would like to congratulate you and your officers and wish you a successful year in the field. Thank you. Senior Warden-elect of William Sutton Lodge, I want to extend the congratulations and the warm fraternal greetings of William Sutton Lodge and their master to you. We look forward to working with you and your officers in this upcoming year to make the 4th District one of the best districts in the jurisdiction. Again, congratulations from our lodge to yours. Thank you.
Most Holy Supreme Architect of the universe, we gather here today to celebrate the installation of our new master and officers of this lodge. We humbly ask you for your blessings and guidance as they take this important roles in our lodge. Grant the worshipful master the wisdom to lead with fairness, the strength to uphold our principles, and the compassion to guide and support our brethren. May the spirit of brotherhood continue to flourish among us, together through the ages. We thank the families and friends that are here today to join us on this important occasion. In your name, we offer this prayer, and may our lodge be a beacon of light in the world. Amen.